SIGA hitting highs. Seeing AEMD bounce off support. Don't miss this break of highs. Quick GOVX on support. I've got SOPA at a resistance level. CYN. I know you're not missing this RDBX. Guys, I've got all 4 charts moving. Scanners are on fire today. Did you catch that breaking news this morning? Does day trading have to be so hard? The short answer, no. Today I'm going to show you how you can simplify day trading and develop a strategy in real time so you can have a less cluttered workspace and have a more efficient trading experience. I always start by making a watch list for the stocks I'd like to trade for that day. Stocks I like to trade are usually gapping up or down at least 10%. The price range is between $2 and $20. The flow is under 25 million and the relative volume is 2 or more. The 2 setups that I look for every day when day trading is either breaking news or a technical breakout on the chart with momentum. So these are the boxes I need checked off to really go heavy into a trade. If I don't have all of these boxes checked, I may still take a trade, but I'm just going to reduce my size and tighten up my stop accordingly. The next step I find very important is marking out the support and resistance levels on the chart. I have up a chart on BTTX without support and resistance levels marked. Now I'll go ahead and pull up the chart on the weekly and daily time frames, marking obvious levels of support and resistance that I see. If you'd like to see how I get these levels, I'll leave a link in the description below. Now for myself, I'll look at these resistance levels to break and then hold as support, offering a trade idea from there. Now, of course, volume and price action at these levels is going to be key and important. But these levels can help aid in entries and exits. Now all we have to do is actually execute the strategy we put in place for ourselves. In theory, when we break a resistance level, it should then hold as support. With this thinking, we can put our stop loss below that previous resistance, now acting as support, allowing us a little leeway on our trade. We can see in this example how that support then held, offering 15% gains, 10%, 24%, 36%, even 52% gains. This is a great example of a technical breakout. With practice, you'll become faster at marking these support and resistance levels, which will then allow you to enter and exit into your trades even faster. If you found any value in today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and join our free Discord today. I'll leave the link in the description.